Step into your personal haven at Straits Village Nottingham, where every knock on the door welcomes you to your own slice of paradise. Located on Huntingdon Street, Straits Village offers a sophisticated range of private studios, ensuite rooms, and two-bed apartment all on the same site, creating a unique and vibrant community in the heart of Nottingham. Each room here comes with a comfortable bed, dedicated study area, ample storage space, and private ensuite bathroom. Talking about amenities, the property offers a range of state-of-the-art social spaces, including a cozy cinema room, well-equipped fitness studio, study rooms, peaceful courtyard, in addition to unlimited Wi-Fi, CCTV coverage, secure door entry systems, and bike storage. Situated just a short drive away from Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and Nottingham Trent University. Straits Village is surrounded by a culinary treasure trove, with spots like Enoki Restaurant and TGI Fridays, Nottingham enticing your taste buds. Whether it's a spontaneous craving or a milestone celebration, the options are endless. And for those impromptu gigs evenings, you could visit the Motorpoint Arena Nottingham, which is a pleasant ride away. With essentials like Tesco Express and medical facilities within walking distance, convenience is at your fingertips. Your story begins at Straits Village Nottingham. Don't wait, book your room now at amberstudent.com.